This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to uncheck checkboxes in Google Sheets. When you insert checkboxes in Google Sheets and you click on them, this check appears. And if you decided that you did not need them checked anymore, you might think you would have to manually click on each box to uncheck them. But you don't have to do that. All you need to do is highlight the cells whose checkboxes you want to clear, and then select the spacebar on your keyboard. When you do that, all of the checkboxes will be empty. And if you want to check multiple boxes at the same time, all you have to do is press the spacebar again. All of the cells do not have to be together. If you want to uncheck or check multiple boxes in different locations, all you need to do is click on a cell, then select Command on a Mac or Control on Windows, and select the other boxes that you want to check or uncheck. And since this is mixed with boxes that are checked and unchecked, what's going to happen when I select the space bar is that the boxes that are unchecked are going to be checked, and the boxes that are checked are going to become unchecked. If you do not know how to add checkboxes, you can watch this video right here. So this video shows you how to quickly check and uncheck boxes in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.